My name's Anne-Marie Lacey and I'm a senior lecturer here in the School of Arts and Cultures. I'm also a working PR practitioner, so I still do work in industry, but my role here is teaching across degree programmes that look at public relations, media and strategic communications.
My name is Gordon and I study media and public relations here. I choose Newcastle University for its comprehensive combination of PR and media analysis in both theory and practice, covering cultural and political issues.
So students will learn the foundational theory around PR, comms, media management, and then they can go into their own specialisms. So as well as the theory, there's the practice. And that's really one of the USPs of learning here at Newcastle, is that you don't just get told how to do the job, you're given opportunities to actually have a go at doing it yourselves.
I'm Christine and I study international multimedia journalism. I'm really happy that I chose it because I find that I can have theory one day and then apply it the next day in a practical setting.
My course, it angles on practical real-life learning. So we integrate things like inclusion of AI in media, we integrate things like social media, we integrate things such as practical projects. And I think that's very important and it's very relevant. And one more thing that I noticed is how it's angled towards making you a better professional in the media workplace.
Our programme is also recognised by the CIPR, the Chartered Institute of Public Relations, which is a global body of industry best practice. I'm also a board director, so I've volunteered at the most senior kind of top level of the latest thinking and governance around industry standards as well.
The course equipped me with comprehensive PR knowledge and also provide me with a playground to put it into practice.
My lecturers have provided us with great opportunities outside of the course. They always encourage us to get out there and seek stories in the real world, which I found to be the best thing about the course.
We learn things from the basics because a lot of students like myself, we did not have a background in media. So I learned everything from editing, Adobe Premiere Pro, Audition. I learned how to go out and take interviews with people in the street. And the fact that we were taught all of these practical skills along with theoretical concepts like media and law and researching in media, I think that's like a very good blend in terms of a curriculum.
One of the benefits from being Russell Group is the connection with the industry. So we have guest speakers visit to our campus and they will share their insights through the lectures, master classes. It's very helpful to us.
We also actually have the opportunity to take part in various extracurricular activities in societies like the student media, which I am a very active part of. I think one of my strengths is broadcasting, so I was able to be a part of NUTV, which is Newcastle University TV, and I presented for them on multiple occasions such as University Fight Night, Student Elections Night and Results Night as well. I am an active part of the university's newspaper, The Courier, and I have written many articles for them. So I think that is also giving me some real life experience and it's also helping me build my portfolio at the same time.
I always say to my students, it's not easy, it's a postgraduate degree. It's meant to stretch you, it's meant to push you, but the things that you will learn about yourself within the space of a year are incredible.
This was one of the best decisions I made to come here and study this course because I know it's going to be very beneficial for me in the future.